Hey guys, Jeremy with somedroneguy.com. I wanted to do a quick video on this bag that we use for traveling and even around town here when I go flying my drones and doing videos. It's made by HGLTECH and we really like it because it makes it nice for traveling because everything fits in there as you're about to see. So in the top has a big compartment up here that opens up. And in here I have everything for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So it has my DJI Mic 2, my Osmo Pocket 3, and any other accessory that I need. I like to use the bag here when I travel because if I want to go on an adventure with just the Osmo, I can just take the bag and the Osmo. So it also controls my remote controller 3, as well as my goggles 3. So everything's secure up there. And when we do travel on airlines, this is usually as a carry-on, or not usually, always. Inside, you'll see access to everything that you need. So here we have the Avata 2, which fits in there nicely. We have my power bank, great for charging when you're out in the field and need to have a quick charge of any of your devices. We have the battery hub for the Air 3S, the battery hub for the Avata 2, the Air 3S, nice and secure in there. Then I have this nice case for my DJI Neo. So I like to take the case as well with the DJI Neo when we travel, because if I want to take just the Neo and the remote controller too, I can just bring this case with me. So as you can see in here, it holds the Neo, the remote controller, and underneath is the battery hub. There's a nice area here for taking my tablet. We don't use a tablet much, but when we do, we use it usually just with the Osmo 3 Pocket to start the video and stop the video. But it also helps when editing footage. My side pockets, plenty of room here too. So I have all my ND filters in here. I have the ND filters for every product that I own, as well as my light for nighttime flying. And over on this side is just all my spare props and a 1.5 so that I can take the props off. And that's it. Hope you enjoy. There'll be a link in the description if you guys want to check it out and get one for yourself.